Welcome to our roundup of the best pole saws available today. Whether you are looking for cordless convenience, electric efficiency, or gas-powered strength, we have selected top-rated options that balance performance, reach, and durability. These pole saws are designed to make pruning tall trees and trimming branches easier, safer, and more efficient. We will break down each model's key features like cutting power, reach, weight, and usability to help you find the right one for your outdoor needs. Do not forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal pole saw for you. The first on the list is the Scott's Outdoor Power Tools PS45010S corded electric pole saw. This pole saw is a reliable option for those who want continuous power without worrying about battery life or fuel. Equipped with a 10-inch bar and chain, it delivers precise and efficient cuts for branches and limbs up to 8 inches thick. Its adjustable telescoping pole extends up to 9.5 feet, giving you a maximum overhead reach of about 15 feet, making it perfect for trimming tall trees without a ladder. Another standout feature is its automatic oiling system, which keeps the chain lubricated during operation, reducing wear and ensuring smooth cutting performance. At just under 8 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to handle, even during extended trimming sessions. Overall, the Scott's PS45010S is a dependable and low-maintenance pole saw for homeowners who want steady cutting performance for regular tree maintenance. Next up is the Vever manual pole saw. If you prefer a lightweight and maintenance-free tool for pruning, the Vever manual pole saw is a practical choice. This model comes with a 12-inch carbon steel blade featuring sharp, three-sided teeth that cut cleanly through thick branches with minimal effort. Its telescoping fiberglass pole extends up to 26 feet, giving it one of the longest reaches in its category, making it ideal for safely trimming high branches without a ladder. Another advantage is its detachable saw blade, allowing you to use the pole or the saw separately for different tasks, giving you added versatility in yard work. Unlike powered models, this manual pole saw is extremely lightweight, easy to store, and requires no gas, oil, or charging. While it may require more physical effort, the long reach and sharp blade make it highly effective for both residential and professional use. Overall, the Vever manual pole saw is perfect for those who want a simple, affordable, and long-reaching solution for tall tree pruning. Next, we have the Black Plus Decker 20V Max cordless pole saw. This cordless pole saw is designed for homeowners who want the convenience of battery power combined with reliable performance. It features a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, which provides strong cutting power and up to 100 cuts per charge on branches up to 1.5 inches thick. With its lightweight design of just 10 pounds and an extendable shaft reaching up to 14 feet overhead, it strikes a balance between usability and reach, making it ideal for most yard trimming needs. Another key feature is its inline power head design, which improves visibility and control when cutting branches in tight or awkward spaces. The 8-inch cutting bar and chain are perfect for medium-sized limbs, and the cordless design eliminates the hassle of cords or fuel. Overall, the Black Plus Decker LPP120 is a versatile and user-friendly pole saw for everyday pruning tasks. Next on the list is the Husqvarna 122 LKP gas pole saw. For those who need heavy-duty cutting power and longer runtimes, the Husqvarna 122 LKP is a professional-grade choice. Powered by a 21.7 cubic centimeters two-stroke gas engine, it delivers reliable torque and smooth performance for cutting thicker branches with ease. Its Smart Start technology reduces resistance in the starter cord, making it quicker and easier to get going compared to most gas models. Another major advantage is its detachable shaft system, which allows you to use different Husqvarna attachments, transforming it into a versatile yard tool for edging, trimming, or hedge cutting. With a 10-inch bar and chain, it handles limbs up to 8 inches thick efficiently, while the extended shaft provides plenty of reach for overhead cutting. Overall, the Husqvarna 122 LKP is an excellent option for users who want gas-powered strength, versatility, and professional-grade performance. The last one on our list is the DeWalt 20V Max XR pole saw. This cordless model is engineered for users who want premium cutting power with maximum reach. Equipped with a 20-volt Max XR lithium-ion battery, it offers extended runtime and efficient performance, capable of handling up to 96 cuts per charge on 4x4 pressure-treated pine wood. Its 15-foot maximum reach ensures you can trim tall branches without needing a ladder, making it safer and more convenient for large properties. Another standout feature is its brushless motor technology, which not only provides more cutting power, but also increases efficiency and motor life compared to standard designs. The 8-inch bar and chain cut cleanly through branches up to 8 inches thick, while the lightweight, ergonomic design makes it easier to handle during extended tasks. Overall, the DeWalt 20V Max XR is a top-tier cordless pole saw that combines power, reach, and long-lasting efficiency in one package. So, that wraps up our list of the best pole saws available right now. From manual to gas and cordless electric options, each of these tools offers unique advantages depending on your trimming needs. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more detailed product reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.